Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file on my Facebook page, and they want the eyes transparent. He's already done all the work. He's got the yellow box. He's got his nudge factor set on 4. I'm going to see how big this skull is. It's a little over 4, so I'm going to set the nudge factor on 5. And I'm going to take this outline, I'm going to move it away. Then I'm going to take this outline and move it away. Now that has some white on it, we don't really need it, so I'm going to left click no fill. I'm going to move this over, and everything else is good. Everything else is white that we want, but the glasses are white, or the eyeballs are white. So we're going to left click no fill. We're going to right click outline. We're going to take white now, take the Smart Fill tool and fill it with white, and fill that in with white. Now the eyeballs are transparent. Now, nudging it back, we can put it right back. All the lines. I don't know if he wants these. They're evidently like a contour line, but I'm going to put them back. So now everything is white, but your eyeballs are glass, or the eyes are transparent. So I'm really good to see when somebody uses the yellow box trick. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.